Your VIDASHIELD UV24 ships with the wiring components you will need to install for the installation type that you ordered. If you are installing the lighted LED unit, the weight is 34 pounds, while the ceiling panel unit model weighs 31 pounds. We're going to install the trim kit for drywall or ACOUSTIBUILT installations. First, we need to create a 25 by 49 inch drywall grid opening. You'll need 4 lengths of cam utility angle that will ultimately receive transition molding. To support the VIDASHIELD UV24 unit, you'll need to tie off all 4 corners of your module with 12 gauge hanger wires. We are now prepping the drywall grid for an ACOUSTIBUILT installation. This requires the application of construction adhesive to the face of drywall grid. If this is a drywall installation for you, simply install your 5/8 inch drywall to the face of your exposed drywall grid. You can install around your module or cover it, then cut out your VIDASHIELD opening with a keyhole saw or rotary tool. This is often the most time-saving method because it eliminates the need to make odd cuts to install drywall or ACOUSTIBUILT around an opening. Let's frame out our opening with supplied Axiom AXTR 7907 transition molding. This popular molding has an integrated mud flange on one side and an offset 9/16 inch acoustical flange on the opposing side. Once your transition module is installed, simply raise it up into your module opening and secure it to the face of the drywall grid framing with drywall screws. You'll also need to secure with self-tappers the vertical flange of your transition molding. Make sure you hit your cam angle behind. Next, proceed with finishing as described in the ACOUSTIBUILT Seamless Acoustical Ceiling System installation instructions. After mud, sanding, and finishing, your module opening is finally ready for the installation of your VIDASHIELD UV24 unit. If your 25 by 49 inch module is square to within 1/8 of an inch, your VIDASHIELD unit will lay right in place. If your unit has integrated LED lighting, its wiring is labeled on a different switched circuit from the other wires labeled for UV input. The LED downlight is designed to run independent of the ultraviolet light. When the UV and fan are turned on, you will see a brief red light, then alternating red and green lights that quickly turn to a solid green, indicating the VIDASHIELD UV24 is fully operational. Access to the VIDASHIELD internals for maintenance is easy with 2 spring-activated levers revealing the sealed UV chamber. Make sure your unit is disconnected from power before opening the UV chamber. To open the UV chamber door, simply rotate the 2 door latch fasteners counterclockwise and slowly open the door to its fully open position. All UV lamp and filter maintenance can now be completed within this open chamber. By sliding the black knob forward, you can access the filter and fan assembly. To learn more about the VIDASHIELD UV24 and its complete line of products, visit armstrongceilings.com/VIDASHIELD.